Welcome to a John Marrick video presentation. Porco brings the Concorde into Perth during a heavy thunderstorm. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We are on our final into Perth. Our trip from Sydney has just taken us a touch under 2 hours. You will notice that the seatbelt sign has been illuminated. This is because we are suffering violent thunderstorms on our approach into Perth. It is requested of you, unless it is absolutely necessary, for you to remain seated until we land at Perth. Righto, number one. Let's get that gear down and see if we can get some stability into this whole go. It's a bit rough and rugged here. Gear down and lock for green. Our approach speed is good. I'm going to try and keep it at a little less than 10 degrees so we're not buffeted by the wind so much, and at the last moment I'll try and flare us to wash off the excess speed. That wind is going to catch us, so we'll have to be prepared for that, and it's going to be wet. We have 4,000 feet of runway here, so I'm going to take my time getting her down. Last time I landed in a headwind like this and we deployed the thrusters, it kept the head of the plane up. Now I assume it's going to do the same here, so we'll be late getting the nose down, so we'll be prepared for that. Yes, just as I thought. We're using the thrusters to slow us down, but it's keeping the nose up. Makes it a bit hard to see if any mud is coming across the runway in front of us, but let's assume that traffic control has done its job. We're starting to slow down nicely. We'll be able to get the nose down in a moment. There we go. Bloody hell, man, that's not cricket coming out like that. Goodness me. These bloody colonials. Anyway, all down. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Perth. Thank you for flying with us. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to share more adventures with Porco, please remember to subscribe. Cheers for now. Porco.